got the spooks, boys, and I have no idea. Gosh! Oh yeah, that's why. Roll intro. We good? I think we're good. It's that month again, Spooktober, and we're less than 1 week away from that special holiday. Spooky Day. Memes aside, it's known as Halloween. It's that one day of the year where people can have fun with what they dress in and wear almost anything they want. Almost. And because of that, I used to look forward to it every year. Until I actually started dressing the way I want every day. You need to drink milk to strengthen your bones during spooky month because, skeletons are everywhere. So besides the milk, it's still a great opportunity to have fun with our clothes. And what better way for stylish homies is to dress like style icons. If you do it right, most people should know who it is. And the great thing about it is, you won't have to go out and buy an actual costume, as some of these, or even most of these, should already be in your wardrobe. Better than taping Smarties to your pants so you're a Smarty Pants. Oof. So I'm going to show you 8 style icons that I recommend you choose from this spooky day. Halloween. Gosh! First we have James Dean.
You're tearing me apart, Lisa!
Wrong movie.
You're tearing me apart!
There. This is a good one for my more casual homies. Just grab some jeans or chinos, a white crew neck t-shirt, a jacket, and BAM! You're a rebel without a cause. Except you do have a cause. You're dressing up for Halloween. You could go with a red windbreaker, or you can go the whole 9 yards and go with our A2 suede jacket and rust. You'll be getting candy tonight. Number 2 is Bruce Lee. He had quite a diverse style, but style nonetheless. So you have a lot to work with. Now you could go and buy his famous yellow with black striped jumpsuit from Game of Death, but some plebs are probably gonna think you're Uma Thurman from Kill Bill. But do not worry, my friends. I got you covered. You can wear our white Henley, which actually he made famous, with high-rise trousers, our Gurkhas work, and something like extra drills to make it extra crispy. Or if you have a wide lapel suit, which you should, go full 70s, baby. Grab a floral shirt, slap them over your lapels, and add that Bruce Lee vibe. Put on some big boy sunglass frames and bam, you're as solid as an ice cube. Number 3 is Robert De Niro, the man himself. You got a lot to choose from. I mean, think about it. Grab some jeans, an M65 field jacket, an OCBD, Oxford cloth button down, aviators, and bam, you're Travis Bickle from Taxi Driver. You're gonna have to get, though, like a mohawk cap, or get an actual mohawk, or don't, and people will get it when you respond to them with, "Were you talking to me? You talking to me?" You could go with one of his outfits from The Godfather Part 2, Casino, Goodfellas, or go meet the Fockers on everyone and pull out that red sweater vest with the blue button-down shirt, khakis, and breast pump.
Would you like to touch it?
I wouldn't.
Now that would be Number 4, Tyler Durden. First rule about Fight Club is that you do not talk about Fight Club. But no, seriously, how is this guy not an icon? His I don't give a freaking frick attitude, his outfit, the fact that it's Brad Pitt, I mean, come on. Again, we got more 70 vibes, so you know it's good. Jeans, boots, and a floral aloha shirt. And of course, you need that leather jacket. It's kind of what I'm going for here, but it has to have that reddish brown color for you to actually pull it off. And now, I wouldn't personally recommend that red of a jacket. Not my thing personally. So if we're going with a Craftsman clothing jacket, I go with a tobacco brown safari jacket. Put on some aviators and punch yourself in the face a few times.
Please don't do that.
And you're ready to kick butt. If you can't do Tyler, or you just don't want to do Tyler, but you got an Aloha shirt, you can also consider fellow Michigander Tom Selleck's character, P.I. Thomas in Magnum P.I. Tom Selleck, what a Chad. Since Tom is in Hawaii, this is great if it's warm where you're at for Halloween. Tuck your Aloha shirt into some light wash jeans, put on those sneaks, grab your dad cap, and shave off your beard and just leave the mustache. Or just go and pick yourself up one of those bajillion versions of mustaches at a party store. When those Gen Z kids go and ask you who the heck you are because they don't know the classics, then just tell them that you're Chief Hopper from Season 3 of Stranger Things. Even if you don't know, they'll know. Number 6 is a total classic. It's Marlon Brando from The Wild Ones. If you already have a black leather Brando jacket, the name, like this one, then it's pretty simple from here. The only other things you need is a plain white tee, some blue jeans, leather gloves, and some boots to match. Some aviators would look nice too. and the hat and the bike. Penultimate, number 7, is one of the best dressed men in all of cinema. James Bond. I mean, I could seriously go on and on about this. Good video idea. I mean, it's a suit aficionado's dream. You got a tux, black, white, wear it. You got a gray or navy suit, wear it. When it comes to the suits, the only thing you really need to worry about is that the fit is absolutely on point, or else you can just forget it. But he doesn't just wear suits. I mean, Casino Royale, he wears a navy polo and khakis. But if you just walked in like that to a party, most people wouldn't think you're even dressed up at all, so you gotta get a few things right. One is something that I couldn't do. It's being extremely well built. A good pair of sunglasses like some Purcells and a watch, oh yeah, it's a must. And of course, if you have one, just like the Bond man himself, an Omega. And number 8, I know really isn't a classic, but it is classic style. Just pick any one of the Peaky Blinders. Peaky Blinders, aye. If you got a classic suit jacket like this Tagliatore, and then you got, a tweed vest and stuff, and a club collar shirt with a tie, bam! Don't forget your capola, eh? Cap, I don't know what it's called. I only know the Sicilian word for it. And then bam. Any excuse to dress like the Peaky Blinders of the 1920s, man, I am totally up for that. And there you go. So hopefully now you have some ideas for Spooky Day. The great thing is you'll be someone iconic, but you'll look super stylish along the way. Bonus. Yeah, everybody's gangster until they see a spooky skeleton go doot. Kidding, it's not real milk. It's like this coconut almond milk blend thing. I like coconut milk, but where's the milk in this house? I need to buy milk. I need to buy milk. See, that's why I got so scared. I didn't have my milk. Oy.